Alright, y'all, so this is the Shark Rotator Power Liftaway nv650 after I refurbished it, and I got the new motor for it. This is the old one, piece of crap. I washed out the bin, so I cleaned out all the mold and Ajax bath powder. And I'll show you how I know this thing was exposed to a lot of water. Cyclones are rusting out of holes, but it's all clean now, so it's alright. I'm gonna keep this thing just because of the memories of whenever they first came out. So this is the first generation of a powered liftaway, I believe. So I wiped it all down. Made it perfect, so I'm sorry I sound horrible. I'm sick. I'm really sick. But anyways. Back down really quick. I haven't seen that good of an application in a long time. Definitely not pushing everything in one pass. Carpet's a little weird there. Hear that? It's like a wind noise, like a we can get this thing running. I'm super happy that it works. I was scared it was going to be something else that was keeping it from turning on, but obviously it's not. But it works really good. It's a lot easier to push than that red nv650 that I had a while back. It has a fat motor. It hasn't really picked up too much, but let me move the old pod away so I can finish that one. This is my master room as well. Second up for you guys. Oh yeah. Plenty of suction. Oh, it's twisted. Sounds that weird noise, but filter is expected. It has some large debris on it. It's there's holes in the cyclone. I can't expect it to be perfect, but it did pick up a little bit. Not bad. So thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to subscribe and like the video. I barely say that, but the channel's not doing the greatest right now, so I figured I should plug that in. See you all later.